can't believe it.
Bit of a nightmare.
All of the booms, gaffs, sails, topmast, mainmast and the mizzenmast all had to come off and be laid on the deck so that we could pass under the bridge, which is only 5 metres high. High Orchard Bridge couldn't lift because the weld joints that we knew were cracked weren't going to be fixed until the end of the month. They had assured us that it was going to be done by the 19th. Last Monday they said it's not going to happen. What a nightmare! We've actually run aground here. It's going to cost us about £20,000 at the end of the day. Yeah, a bit stressful. Once the mast is stepped, we then have to run all the shrouds out to the sides again, because then they've got to lift the gaff and boom on. It's not really the best scenario, is it? Such is the life of a ship. Things you can't control. You just got to make the best of it, really.